Our today's lesson is about uh, freeze pen or freeze in Excel. So let us continue and understand the or mastering Excel from the basic to advanced techniques. This this presentation delves into essential Excel skill, improving you to work efficiently and effectively. So our topic today is about freeze pens. So together, clear how we use Excel to make our life easy. Like to how we can enter data in Excel, how we can format. Generally, how can we use some function to solve problems. So this time around, let us look how can we visualize or navigate through our data in a simple way or in a simplicity. So let us continue and discover something which is very important too in Excel. It is called freeze pen. Understanding freeze pens keep your data in view. What is freeze pens? The key differences. Then there's a difference between freeze pen and sprint. So what is freeze pen? Freeze pens are powerful features that lock a specific row and column in place, making it easier to navigate large data sets while keeping essential heading visible. So if someone asks you the definition of freeze pen, just a powerful feature that lock a specific row or columns in place, making it easier to navigate through a large data sets while keeping essential headings visible. We shall see the meaning of that one when we go practically into Excel. But in simple terms, making our data okubanga are well organized, so that if you are dealing with large set of data, you cannot see what is the column heading telling you when you navigate once at the bottom. We have a tool in Excel which can lock that headings and specifically row 1 or row 2, but provide the headings that carrying the meaning of what is inside the column or cell. So that is the definition. Let us continue. Why freeze pens are essential: clear navigation, enhanced analysis, then faster productivity. Then freezing pen a step-by-step guide, selecting column. Let us go to our Excel and we see that one. This is the data I'm talking about. So assuming there's lows carrying from 1 up to something 100 something, you may have greater than this. So you may need to keep these like headings, this segment, country, product, when you go down to see them, so that you can easily identify what is this and standing for what. So let us see how can we solve the problem of making this heading stand there without moving them. I may want also to see maybe from this data to this one, and I compare with the bottom data. So I would like to keep even this one standing and where I'm navigating and I compare. So how can I do that? So let me go to view tab. There is under view tab and the ribbon, there's tab code, there's a command called freeze pen. So when you click here, you see 3 options. The first option, freeze pens. The second one, freeze the top row. The third one, freeze the first column. let us go one by one. Our task, our main point now, or our main goal, is to keep this heading not to disappear. So let us begin with that one. Under D3, there is what we call freeze top low. This one work on this heading. Let us try and click, and we see. You click here. When we navigate, this one will be fixed in one place, will not move. So that is the first option. I said there are three options. Let us go to another option. Let us first, when you freeze pin, apply freeze pin somewhere, it will bring another option, unfreeze. So let us first unfreeze, then we see another option. So another option to freeze, let us go to freeze, then we see the third one. The third one is first column. We know this is A is always our first column. So when I click here, when I try to navigate like this, I can see A is going, disappearing. But let me go to freeze pane, and I say freeze the first column, and I try to navigate. You see A is standing there even if I move like this. That is the first thing. So that is the third option. Then let us go unfreeze pane, and we see the other option, the first one. So from there, the first one, it is depends on our choice selection. If I want to keep from 1 to 7, I'll click, or I highlight this cell in 8. I'll highlight in any cell in 8 row if I want to keep from 1 up to 7. If I want to keep from maybe from 1 up to 10, I have to click in 11. I have to highlight from that one to 11. If I want to keep these 3 visible, I have to click in 4. So I come here. Same apply when on the column. If I want to keep A and B, I click on C. If I want to keep A, B, C, I highlight in D. So it depends our selection. For me, I would like to see A and B. At the same time, I would like to see from low 1 up to maybe 7. I'll click exactly in 8. So I go here, freeze pane. I use the first option, freeze panes. So when I click there, you see the changes. It will bring the thick line to show the where I've applied what freeze pane. So when I scroll, I can see from 1 up to 7 they are static, not moving. Then even if I try this side, I can see from A, B is static. So that is how we can use freeze pane in Excel. Thanks for watching.